Chapter 30 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk presents a significant shift in perspective and tone from the brutal, anarchistic fervor that permeates much of the book. This chapter is pivotal, as it reveals the protagonist's current mental state and his reflections on his recent past, ideals, and the consequences of his actions. The chapter opens with the narrator describing what he perceives as heaven, a serene place filled with angels, where everything is bathed in white and where he can find the peace of sleep. This depiction starkly contrasts the chaos and violence of the world he has been living in, indicating a deep yearning for peace and reprieve. In this serene vision, the narrator encounters God, who is portrayed in a rather mundane, bureaucratic manner, sitting behind a desk adorned with diplomas. This encounter is fascinating, as it showcases the narrator's complex relationship with faith, rebellion, and authority. The dialogue between the narrator and God centers around humanity's significancy. The narrator asserts that people are simply existent, not inherently special nor trash, challenging the traditional religious view of divine purpose. When God disagrees, the narrator calls him a liar, reflecting his pervasive disillusionment and conflict with societal and divine expectations. However, reality intrudes upon this philosophical musing. The narrator then recounts the immediate aftermath of his attempted self-destruction, a moment of violence aimed at freeing himself from his alter ego, Tyler Durden. The bullet, rather than killing him, causes severe injury, landing him in a mental hospital. This physical outcome metaphorically represents his failed attempt to completely rid himself of Tyler's influence and the destructive ideology he embodies. In the hospital, the narrator's thoughts turn to Marla, a symbol of both the chaos he's entrenched in and a tether to a more grounded, albeit complex, reality. His longing to contact her reflects a desire for connection and normalcy amidst the madness he's orchestrated and succumbed to. However, he hesitates, indicating his awareness that his journey toward recovery and redemption is far from over. The chapter concludes with a chilling reminder of the narrator's legacy and the monster he's helped create, Project Mayhem. Even in the presumed safety of the mental hospital, he is not free from the reach of the organization. Members of Project Mayhem, bearing the physical scars of their commitment, approach him with reverence, addressing him as Mr. Durden and ominously assuring him that everything is proceeding as planned. This reveals the extent to which Tyler's ideology has taken on a life of its own, hinting at the narrator's loss of control over his own creation and the long shadow it casts over his attempts to find peace. Chapter 30 encapsulates the themes of identity, control, and the quest for meaning in a nihilistic world. It offers a poignant reflection on the narrator's internal struggle and the external chaos he's engendered, setting the stage for his continued quest for redemption and the resolution of the novel's central conflicts. Thanks for watching our Bookly Crash Course summary video. Check out the Bookly Crash Course channel for the full chapter summary playlist and even more complete book summaries.